Nathaniel out here in the city of Burbank. And right now I'm going to be conducting a First Amendment audit of the California Army National Guard for the 1st Battalion, 144th Field Artillery, 11th Armored Cavalry Regiment. And I know that was a lot of announcing, but I'm going to make sure that our friends here at the Army National Guard in the city of Burbank respect and honor my constitutional right as a free American to record what I can see from a public space. So let's go over there and attend hut. So this is it. This is the building. It's located on Valhalla Drive, 3800 Valhalla Drive in the city of Burbank. And a little bit of history behind this. Burbank actually plays a pretty significant role in our U.S. military. Lockheed, which is a major aerospace government contractor. About 1/4 of all military transport planes were actually produced here in Burbank. And this facility, well, it was completed. Oh, I got a plane flying overhead. I'll pause. Okay, we just had a plane fly over, Southwest Airlines. We're very close to Burbank Airport. But anyways, this facility was completed in October of 1951, and it was dedicated for use in February 1952. So, you know, it's a pretty old facility. Been around for a while, and we got a lot of military transport vehicles there. Let's take a look. Go. Got some like Humvees. I find this stuff to be quite interesting. It's like heavy artillery. Wonder how much or how often this stuff actually gets used. Like how often do they actually fire these engines up and bring them out and put them to use? I would imagine maybe for like training, like drills or whatnot. Got these big tires here, and I bet you those suckers are heavy. I imagine it's probably quite a task to move them. Well, that's pretty neat. Looks like they're servicing it. I bet you that engine has a lot of torque. We got a soldier over there. He's hard at work. He's looks like he's having the time of his life, eating some, I don't know, ramen noodles or grits or whatever it is he's eating. He looks like he's definitely enjoying himself. We got the famous red, white, and blue U.S. property, no trespassing. These particular no trespassing signs are common at military bases and that such. Here's another one of these no trespassing signs, and this one lets me know that this facility is protected by an alarm system. Wow, hey, that's heavy stuff. High tech, folks. They're pretty high tech here at the Army National Guard in Burbank. I'm at the back side of the facility. I'm actually standing inside of Pacific Park, which is a public park, and the base is backed up right against the park, so kind of get a close-up look at these military vehicles, which are kind of cool. Surprised at how open this is and how close you can get to it. I mean, it really is interesting. Or at least to me it is. I don't know, maybe some people don't find it interesting, but yeah, I'm walking up alongside the fence line, and pretty cool, man. I mean, it really is. I wonder what's in those barrels. Maybe fuel, or I don't know. Let's look at what it says. Fleet charge. Huh. Oh, coolant, antifreeze. Wow. That's a lot of coolant. Yeah. I just noticed those heavy-duty batteries. I used to work for a automotive distribution company in Honolulu, Hawaii, and I used to have to transport those things sometimes, and boy are they heavy. I mean, even with two people, I mean, it is quite a job to move those things. It really is. I mean, you definitely earn your money when you got to transport those things. Got a couple mechanics over there. Looks like they're going through the stuff here at the yard, or whatever it is they're doing. I'll tell you folks, it is hot out here, so I don't know how they can stand to wear those overalls, jumpsuits that they're wearing, but they are doing it. There's a couple more over there. They're talking amongst themselves. Stand out in the hot sun. They should probably get in the shade, which is what I should be doing. Oops. Another airplane. Oh, they're doing quite well. They're leaving me alone. This one here looks like the truck that Rambo stole off that National Guardsman in the original First Blood. You know, when he was on the run and he was hiding out up in the wilderness. And then as he was making his way back into town, before he, you know, blew up the town, or attempted to blow up the whole town, he stole one of these. That's a classic movie. Rambo, First Blood. Well, so far so good, folks. This has been a pretty good audit. I think this is probably going to end up being a pass, which is quite different from previous audits that I and others have done. 3 years ago, auditing a military facility was a completely different scenario.
Can you shut that off?
What was that?
Can you shut that camera off?
I would prefer to keep it on for the objective record.
Can't even get a first name. Can't even get your first name. You won't even give us your first name.
What's your name, sir?
We don't.
What's your name, sir? What's your name? What's your name?
Here, I'm
What's your
going
name?
to
This
it.
is a federal facility. You're not allowed to take photos of a federal facility.
Yeah, you're trying to goad me into something. That's what you're trying to do.
You came out here, so
You approached us. So yeah, I think the Army National Guard here in Burbank respects an individual's right to record in public. Looks like he's inspecting the vehicle. Hi! How's it going? What company makes these, the Humvees? Are these American Motors Corporation, or?
I'm not too sure, but this is military.
So yeah, it's the California Army National Guard?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you a civilian staff or an actual guardsman?
I'm a guardsman.
Oh, okay, cool. How long have you been in the Guard?
11 years.
Oh, awesome. Okay. No, you guys have been real professional. Appreciate it. You know, do you like? Is this your MO? Your mechanic or?
Yeah, I'm a mechanic.
Oh, awesome. All right. Well, thank you, sir. Thanks for answering my question. I appreciate it. Oh, one more question, if you don't mind me asking. How often do they take these out and run them every now and then, just to keep like the fluids going and stuff like? Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, at least once a month.
At least once a month? Oh, okay, cool. All right. Well, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this audit up. I think this is pretty obvious that it's a pass. The Burbank Army National Guard definitely passed this audit. I mean, I don't see how anybody can consider this anything other than a pass. I mean, definitely plenty of people saw me and they left me alone, and that gentleman that I did talk to, he was willing to answer questions, which obviously he didn't have to, but he did, and so he was professional in treating a member of the public. He didn't freak out, or none of them freaked out over the fact that I had a camera. So I'm gonna give up. Got a plane flying overhead. Sorry for that interruption. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the California Army National Guard here in the city of Burbank a big A+ pass. Thanks, folks. Thank you for serving, and thanks all of you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more audits. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that groovy stuff. Nasty Nathaniel saying happy trails. I think I need to go get me a cold one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.